to see you again. Nowadays, many customers are asking whether we have another kind of heat press way except our normal heat press machine. Of course, they are satisfied with our heat press machine, but they still looking for a way which can be easy and the heater air can be more widely. Here today, we would like to show you a new tool which we call the shake and fill. This kind of tool can be done the things the customers are looking for. The film can wrap the items with different material or different sizes, tightly with using the heating gun. Also, a special thing this tool can be done is that we can use this to do more widely heat transfer, which later I will show you. And our shell usually is 15 pieces in one pack. And you can see here, we have the different sizes already. The great things we can do is that we can follow your idea to do the size you want. So why don't you contact with us and show us your idea and we can do next step. Okay, let's go to see how this magical film to do the heat transfer. Today I will show you how to use this shell to do the heat transfer on our shot glasses. You can see our shot glasses, we have different material and different sizes. We have the glasses 1, polyester and clear, and we also have the ceramic one. Ceramic we have the different sizes. Heat transfer, the first step must be you need to print in your image on the sublimation paper. So here we already have the paper. You can see, and now we will cut it. Okay, we finished cutting the paper, and now the second step is we need to stick this paper to the items we would like to heat transfer. Okay, the next step is that we choose the right size film, silicone film, to put this shot glass inside. Now we use the heating gun to make the second film wrap the item. You can see it quickly and easily. Okay, we do the same things with the other 3 items. As you just see, we have 2 kinds of material. One is glass and the other one is ceramic. So we need to put it into different ways because they use the different times. First, we will do the heat transfer on the glass one. Today we will use our iSmart the new machines. You also can looking for these items through our website. For glass items, we normally use 180 degrees and 10 minutes. Let's put it inside. Okay, this too is finished. Let's take it out. Okay, now we can put the other 2 inside. The other ceramic ones inside. At the meantime, we can take off these 2. It's hot. Okay, these 2 items are so already finished. Let's take it out. Let's take off the second film and the sublimation paper. You can find more shot glasses here. These items are separated by our silicone film. You also can find more items separated by silicone films through our website bestsublimation.tv. And if you have any other question, please feel free to contact with us. Looking forward to hearing from you again. See you.